Right now? Are you enjoying the rain?
Yeah, but it's too thunder. I don't like
You don't like what?
thunder.
You don't like the lightning, okay. That you can.
Think about people, what is happening in Qatar.
So you have to be safe in Qatar. And you have to be
Not
and
others.
it's also flooding and the cars get wow! What's happened? When you see too much cloudy and too much brown, it's full. But when it's little, it's never thunder. Is this oh my gosh! Are you serious? It's flooding, I'm telling you, it's flooding. It's too long.
Rainy days may come and go, it splashes through the window. I can listen to the color, and with you it's getting better. Look around, it's subtle, it washed away the gloom. Though it's not ours to settle, let's get inside the room.